Purchase orders have a simple structure that consists of a header, a body, and a footer. Each part of the purchase order contains significant information. The header contains the contact information, the purchase order number, and the purchase order date. The body contains the bulk of the information. Contents such as the description of a product or multiple products, the quantity, the price, and other information can be found in the body. The footer contains a signature line that is to be signed once the order is agreed upon. Flow up and flow down are concepts used for this course only and should not be considered terminology for regular purchase order usage. Occasionally, there is information that should be communicated to higher level management. This process is referred to as flow up. An example of a situation that would call for the flow up concept would be getting approval from higher levels of management. Conversely, if there is a critical requirement on a document that should be on all subsequent documents, this is referred to as flow down. Any flow down requirements should be flowed down to any subcontractors or outsourced jobs. For example, if a customer requires a certification and the supplier outsources the job, the supplier's supplier will have to comply with the same requirements from the original customer. Some examples of documents that would feature a flow-down concept include routers, pick tickets, pack slips, job documentation, delivery tickets, inspection reports, certifications, and invoices. The course structure lends itself to two modes of learning, a structured sequential approach and a free-form self-guided approach. The structured approach to reviewing this course in its entirety would be to select the Next button located at the bottom right corner of the page. At the end of each section, there will be a short quiz. The free-form approach involves the user clicking on the purchase order. It is important to note that progress throughout the course is tracked by the section quizzes. Even if you flow throughout the course, please be sure to take the quiz located in each section. This course is structured using 6 examples of purchase orders with a focus in specific areas. Every term defined in the course will have 5 questions. What is it? Why is it important? What are the potential problems? Does it have any other names? And is it flow up or flow down?